boy, another... Oh boy, another Minecraft mod with only a 33% chance of existing. Unless I program it into the game first. Let's take a copper ingot and craft it into a copper button. As you already know, the copper golems love pressing these randomly. These guys will do anything to press their buttons, and I mean anything. As these copper golems live their lives, you might notice that they begin to oxidize. Like that guy right there. Have no fear though, the oxidation can be scraped off, and the golem can be waxed to prevent them from oxidizing further. And yes, you can scrape off the wax. I'll say it again, copper golems love their buttons, but you know what they love even more than one button? A bunch of buttons, which is why there is the copper keyboard. They will prioritize this over normal buttons and begin typing. But you see, they press buttons randomly, so in the chat you might notice some random typing. With a bunch of these guys going at once, it can get really loud and also really spammy. Now, I don't know about you, but just pressing buttons doesn't really seem like much of a function for these guys. So, they begin to behave differently when you give them a pickaxe. They start randomly breaking any block they see. And if I introduce a bunch of these guys into the world, it is just pure chaos.